Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. Most smartphone users always connect to Wi-Fi network whenever it is available because of its good speed and strength. But there are times when we need to use cellular data like traveling if the Wi-Fi network is down, etc. Recently many iPhone users have complained about an issue with their iPhones where the cellular data has stopped working. They just cannot access the cellular data on their iPhone. This can be a serious issue since internet connectivity is very important for using most applications these days on any device. Some users could not make or receive calls from their iPhones along with cellular data issues. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this issue. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for, enable the airplane mode and then disabling it. Several users have claimed to have resolved this problem by just enabling the airplane mode feature and then disabling it on their iPhone. For this you just need to go to settings, tap on it and then turn on the airplane mode and then wait for some seconds and then turn it off again and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. If this issue is caused because of some minor software glitch within the iPhone, then force restarting the iPhone help in resolving many problems in the iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, you just need to press the side button and then slide to power off. When done, now press the power button of your iPhone for around 10 seconds till you see the logo sign on the screen. And the next step is change the data roaming setting. This method worked for the few iPhone users where they enabled the data roaming settings and restarted their iPhones. After that it worked normally like before. Please keep in mind you need to enable the data roaming only if you are in your home country, otherwise it will prove very expensive. For this, go to your settings, tap on it and then tap on mobile data. Here you will see the option of mobile data options, tap on it and here you will see the option of data roaming, tap on its toggle button to turn it on. Once it is enabled, restart your iPhone. After your iPhone starts, the problem should be get disappeared and you are done. And the next step is verify if the mobile data is turned on. In order to receive the cellular data on your iPhone, you need to first make sure whether the mobile data is enabled or not. For this, open the settings page, tap on it and then tap on mobile data. Now ensure that the mobile data option is enabled by tapping on its toggle switch and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings on your iPhone. When problems like this occur on iPhone, it is probably because of some changes being done to the network settings. So performing the reset network settings might help in resolving this issue. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset network settings, tap on it. It will require your passcode. So enter your passcode. You need to confirm it by tapping on the reset network settings again and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Users who have not updated the latest software update on the iPhone might encounter such issue on their iPhone. So we advise our viewers that they update their iPhones or iPad. For this, open the settings app, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. After it's load the software update page, then tap on the download and install option at the bottom if there is any update available and you are done. And the next step is factory reset the iPhone. Since this will reset all the data and setting, we strongly recommend backing up all your data from your iPhone to iCloud or PC before proceeding with this method. After this is performed, you will get a feel of how you started the iPhone for the first time. For this, open the settings app, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset all content and setting. Tap on continue on the initial window and follow the all on-screen instructions from then onwards to carry out the process of factory reset. And also you should try clean the SIM card. If there is any dirt accumulated on the SIM card or its holder, then these network related issues arises on any smartphone. I hope this all solution will fix your issue of cellular data not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.